I will come through. Josephine, I send you all my love.
Hi friends, so today we would be seeing how we can build one of the best PCs of 2020 under 2 lakhs rupees for the superb gaming experience you can have. And this is my new channel and the first video, so make sure you like it, you subscribe it, and please hit the bell icon. So we not wasting our time further, let me show you what I have got. So you can see these are my two Trident RGB RAMs. These are 8 GB ones and 16 GB I have ordered. They are on the way. So it will have a total of 48 GB of RAM. And then after much of a discussion as well as after much of a review, I thought of ordering this TUF Gaming X570 Plus. And frankly speaking, friends, this is one of the best motherboards. Not too costly, not too cheap, sits in the middle and is definitely worth every penny. And then I have this Ryzen 5 processor. This is this is the third generation one, and this has got around 35 MB of cache. I would have gone for Ryzen 7 as well, but I don't see any difference just going for more two cores, and just the cache is pretty less in that. I think it's around 18 to 20 MB, but this one is good. And this is the heart, and this is my RTX 2060 Super overclocked version. This costed me around 48,000. Then I have my Zebronics gaming motherboard and mouse. And then, not to leave this will bring a definitely a unique lightning experience. This is Deepcool's NT Lead Tech Insight technology. This is Castle 350 RGB V2. You can find many reviews on the YouTube as well for this, and this is definitely one of the best I would see. Not too costly, not too cheap, sits in the middle and works perfectly. And then coming back to the most important point, I have over here the Intex Signature SMPS. This is 1300 watts, and frankly speaking, for the next 10 to 12 years, I don't have to worry, as this can handle 2 3 graphic cards and many devices that you attach to your motherboard. And then come, let us see. So we have here the Cooler Master. This is the, I think there are a lot of cabinets, but I like the look and feel. We have these radiators here, and we have this big unique fans. When this lights up, it will definitely bring more light into the room with those shiny glare. It's fully modularized with those logos and those signature ones. Let me just turn it around. Yeah, so this is the straight one. See the signature platinum edition, and see all those connectivity which you get. Mind blowing, awesome. And we have this power cords, and then we certainly have many wires, connectors, everything packed brilliantly. So friends, I've almost opened the cabinet, and this has lot of screws. Frankly telling, it took some time for me because my SMPS is pretty big one, so I had to open everything to just install it. And then, okay, over here it goes. It's heavy. Let me just set this one now. So it's almost set here. Now we have to again fit this baby here, and this has to go here, this has to go here, so it's fitting properly. Now it is fit. Now after fitting, we will screw this up later. So friends, the wiring for the SMPS is done, and as you can see, these wires are pretty heavy and pretty good, and the SMPS is a monster with, my god, it supports so many peripherals. You don't have to worry. It's a beauty. But the tough part is now to set this is like pretty hard job. See how many wires. So now let's set this quickly and show you how this will look once we have built it. If you like my video, do subscribe and motivate us to put more videos like this. Definitely in the next video I'll come with a complete assembling and I will bring more entertaining videos for you guys. So keep watching, keep subscribing, and do take care.